Have you ever made a commitment to your friend? Have you ever done that? Really? Have you ever done that? Or have you made a commitment to 400 people, telling them that you could achieve it and you will do it in the next day? Have you ever made that promise? Kasi today, we're going to talk about fulfilling a commitment. Commitment to 400 people. Can you imagine making commitment to 400 people and making sure that you will do it? If you're wondering, who's this guy? Sino tong person na nagsasalita ngayon sa inyo? Ako nga po pala, si Edge, or you can call me Earl Jones Saldaheno. And I want to share to you a story of commitment. Kasi everybody loves to see a person fulfill a commitment, di ba? Hindi naman tayo naniniwala sa puro salita lang eh. Kasi, di ba, words are cheap. Gusto natin makita, kasi nakita yung totoo. So, how would one fulfill a commitment, a promise to over 400 people? Bakit nga ba siya nag-promise? Ano yung promise? And paano niya i-execute yung promise niya na yon? Dahil alam naman natin na kapag nag-promise ka sa 400 na people, they are going to anticipate it. It is something and it is something big. Would you allow me to tell that story to you? Say yes. As in, yes, go. Yes, I would. Alam niyo, hindi ko kayo naririnig, no? So, tara, let's go to the story. Last weekend till Monday, I attended an event. And guess how many people attended that event? Yes, 400 people yung umattend ng event na yun. Day 1 of the event was great. Day 2, greater. Day 3, the best. That event, masasabi mo talaga, it would change people's lives. It would change your life. And on the last day, there was an activity. Alam mo yun. And they asked for volunteers. What did you learn from that activity? Hindi ko na i-share yung activity kasi para ma-surprise din kayo. And ako, nag-volunteer ako. Taas ako na kamay. Taas ako na kamay. And I said this. I said I would not let fear decide what I would do in my life. And the speaker asked me this. How would you apply that in your life? Sabi ko, I had a podcast that I posted in TikTok. I created seven videos or more, but then I stopped. Kasi I was afraid. I felt na what I posted was never enough. Sabi ko doon, I would commit to myself na after this event, I would start posting not only sa TikTok but sa other socials, but also on YouTube, Spotify, and other socials like Facebook and Instagram. That is my promise. 400. All the attendees right there, around 400 plus, heard that, and that is the commitment I made for them. And that is the commitment I made for them. And everybody clapped. Now, kung kayo yun, how would you feel that you made a commitment, a promise to 400 people? Would you be afraid? Or would you be challenged? Would you be afraid? Or would you be challenged? Isipin nyo, will you be afraid? Or would you be challenged? Kasi, for me, I became challenged. Kasi I learned that lesson. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, this is the promise that I made to all the MMI people of Davao. So, what would you now expect after seeing this episode, the pilot episode ng podcast ko? What do you expect sa mga next videos, which is I created in the past? Mga videos na ipopost ko after this. Kasi I'm going to post this today. And tomorrow, I will post the first 7 videos that I made. Do you want to know what you should expect from this? You would see from my videos my journey. Kasi when I started, bulol na bulol eh. And hindi maganda yung pagsasalita ko. Somehow, this is going to be my journey of how I improve, how I speak, how I would communicate my thoughts. The main goal of this podcast is to improve my communication skills. And second is to share my thoughts. Kasi alam ko, I have something to say. So ngayon, ang tanong ko sa'yo, may commitment ka ba? Commitment that you made to your family, to your friends, to yourself, na hindi mo pa natutupad. Pinangako mo, pero hindi mo pa nagagawa. Now, what I would like you to do is to write in our comment section that promise, yung commitment mo na gagawin mo. Going to do that this week. By Friday, sasabihin mo, i-comment mo kung ano yung promise na yun. Natutumarin mo na ang deadline mo would be this Friday. Kasi kung kaya kong tumayo at harapin yung 400 people and sabihin, I would not let fear decide on what I do in my life, kaya mo rin yung sayo kahit sa isang tao lang. So again, I am Edge, Kuya Edge or Earl Jones. And if this resonated with you, I would love for you to click the follow or subscribe button. And if you have the chance, I would truly appreciate it if you could send or share this into your GC. GC sa family, GC ng magtotropa, GC or yung person na chinachat mo, share mo. Because I would truly appreciate this. Kasi hindi nga tayo naniniwala sa salita lang. Kasi words are cheap. Ipakita natin. And again, this is Edge. And this is my podcast, Edge Possible. And thank you and bye-bye.